All right, today we're going to be doing our trip information. So this is the only section. I know there's more on the bottom. We are not doing that part today. So our trip information, you should by now know where you're going. Now, sometimes people are just going to go to a city to see everything in that city. So if that's what you're doing, you can just write the name of the city. But if the whole reason that you're going somewhere is to go to Disneyland, then the main place that you want to go is Disneyland, and that's something that you can write where also. Now, I want at least 3 good sentences about why you want to go to that place. You can start it with, I want to go to Dallas because whatever that reason is, and then expand on that. Say, you can even say, I saw it on TV once and I thought it would be really cool to go see. You can say different things for the reasons why you want to go, but like I said, I want 3 good sentences for why you want to go. Make sure these sentences have a capital at the beginning and an end mark at the end. Then you need to decide how many people are going to go. Okay? This you get to decide. If there are 3 people in your family, then you would write 3 people. If there's 4, you would write 4 people. Now, our itinerary. This is a rough idea. This is just going to be a small tidbit of what you want to do. So to make things easy, everybody's day 1 is going to be April, what was it? Look at my calendar real quick. Everybody's day 1 is going to be April 16th. Okay? Then that means this is the day you are leaving. And that means this would be the 17th, the 18th, the 19th, and the 20th. And this is the day you are coming home. Okay? So this is going to be important for later. So write this on your packet so you know, because when you decide for your travel information, it's going to come into play on some of that travel information. So if the April 16th, I don't want you to have any kind of plan for what you want to do April 16th. Don't say you're going to get there and you're going to go to the zoo. I don't want any big event happening on the 16th. So everybody's day 1 is going to be travel and hang at the hotel. Because we don't know how much or we don't know what time we're going to get there. We don't know anything. So part of your events is not going to be swimming in the hotel. Your events are going to be things where you are. You're going to have to leave your hotel and go somewhere. So if you want hanging out at your hotel, swimming in the pool, doing things like that, that's something that you can do on the day that you travel. And then on day 5, we're going to go home. Okay? So this is the time where you're going to research 3 things that you're going to do on your trip. At least 3. Each day, you're going to have one thing. So let's say I am going to Austin, Texas. Okay? That's where I'm from. I know lots of stuff that we can do there. So I'm going to say day 2, I want to go to the Thinkery. It's kind of like the Children's Museum. So I would just write Thinkery day 2. Okay? I'm going to leave my whole day just for the Thinkery. That's not including where you're going to eat or anything like that, but what event are you going to do on day 2? On day 3, I want to go see a movie at Alamo Drafthouse. Okay? That's my whole day's event. Now, I could come up with some other things later on that I also want to do that day because a movie isn't going to take up my whole day. So on this day, I also want to go to Zilker Park. Okay? I know going to Zilker Park isn't going to take a whole day, and neither is seeing a movie. So I put both of those things on day 2. Now, my large thing that I want to do on day 3 is go to Six Flags, which is in Fiesta, Texas. Okay, it's about an hour outside of Austin, and I want to go to Six Flags. It's an amusement park. I think it would be fun the day before I go home. So these are the three. This is a rough idea because it says it's a rough idea itinerary of things that I want to do each day on my vacation. Remember, the first and the last day are travel days. Don't plan anything on those days. If you want to plan something, you can, if you've never been to the city, you can even research things to do in whatever your city is that you're going to, or things to do here or there. And those are the things that you can use here. We're going to do more research on these later, not today. We don't need any other information besides the name of the places that you want to go.